मेरा नाम आज़म है, जलालुद्दीन आज़म खान। तो मैं सर के पास आया था 2 साल पहले, अराउंड 2020, अर्ली 2020 with a creatinine level of 9.3. So with a creatinine level of 9.3, sir diagnostic किए and then we found out that वो kidney fail हो गए, and फिर further diagnosis and everything, and then we decided on the transplant. I was on dialysis because I was waiting for the donor, so I was on dialysis for almost 2 years. Okay, sir handled it very perfectly. And now my transplant is done. My wife was the donor. So, Alhamdulillah, everything is okay. I'm healthy again. My BP is done. So, before the transplant, I had BP and other issues. So, after the transplant, everything is done. So, I am not no more taking any BP tablets. Okay, and the sugar and everything is under control. I'm a healthy man. Obviously, the main immunosupplements and other tablets are going on. Otherwise, I'm living a perfect, healthy life.